In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I just made, I you know what I want to say to you, I stir fry some king prawn, some shrimps, sorry guys, some shrimps, and honestly, the shrimps which I marinate up and bake it off in the oven. This is it right here. What I'm going to do is to make a nice, lovely, simple salad. So please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I have some mixed leaf right here, and I'm going to show you how you can make yourself with these shrimps a nice, simple salad at home. Stay right there. My name is Chef Ricardo, and don't go anywhere. Stay right there, guys. Hello, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas, guys. Anyway, basically, you know what happened? I roast off some shrimps right here, guys, and I want to make a nice, lovely shrimps salad. I mean, I want to make a nice, lovely shrimp salad, guys. Honestly, it's gonna be really fantastic. It's gonna be a really amazing recipe, and as I say, the full recipe will be on my YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what you can do in your kitchen when you have certain kind of ingredients and certain kind of things. I'm gonna show you exactly what you can make in the kitchen. So anyway, this is what happened. All right, to be honest, this is some shrimps right here, and all I did is just marinate it and roast it off in my oven for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes with some peppers, carrot, and thyme. You know what I mean? Some fish season and some lemon juice, little bit of honey, and all these things. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you exactly what's gonna happen in the kitchen when I'm gonna make this salad. So first thing what I'm gonna do, I have a big bowl right here. That's what you're gonna need. You need a big bowl, all right? Because when you're a chef, you have to know exactly what you're going to do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to simply remove the paper, and I'm going to simply pop this nice, lovely roasted vegetable shrimps right here. Look at this. This is amazing. Guys, just take a good look. This looking so lovely and nice. And not only that, what I'm going to do to give it a nice, lovely, lovely texture and everything, I'm going to pop some black olive inside of it like this. So what happened now when you put that black olive inside of it is going to give it a nice, lovely look. And the full recipe will be on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be an amazing recipe, guys. So when you put that black olive inside of it, definitely gonna give it 100% looking so good and so nice. Second thing, I have some cucumber, which is very important because it's good for you guys anytime you're doing vegetables, salad, or anything, you know what I mean? It's good to use a lot of vegetable into any kind of dishes you're doing, because what happened, it help you to you know what I mean, like help to balance your diet, especially if you're eating meat or certain kind of things. It's really, really good for you to use a lot of vegetables and a lot of salad in your diet on a daily basis. The next thing, I have this thing, weight loss drink or detoxing your body. This one is like 3 ingredients in one: water, cucumber, and lemon. It's an amazing recipe. I just did a video detoxing your body and weight loss and all these things. So guys, if you watch channel 5, you will see exactly this water thing which I'm talking about on channel 5. All right, if you're famous with channel 5, if you watch the TV or not. But anyway, detoxing your body is very, very, very good, and it's really, really, really good to, you know what I mean, weight loss and all these things. So cucumber, you need quarter cucumbers, and that's what I'm gonna do right here. Is cut it up very small, not too chunky, very, very small. I'm gonna be using roughly about quarter of the cucumber because the cucumber gonna give it a lovely color. Then I have some medium-sized tomato, which is very important. Tomato is very important. I want to take the time to say thank you guys for who donate. I saw a lot of people donate to me over my show. Thank you so much, and you know what I mean, I appreciate it. The link is in the description box right now on the Facebook page. You can click on that link if you want to donate to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, because we're always buying season, buying bits and pieces. So you know, I'm just taking the time to say thank you all who support Chef Ricardo and donate. One love. I love you all. But what I want to say to you now, what we're going to do, we're going to cut up these 2 medium-sized tomatoes, very small, and we're going to pop them straight inside of this nice, lovely salad. Okay, it's coming up to weekend, And it's weekend now, and a lot of people being, you know what I mean, doing different kind of stuff. So it's good to have some salad to, you know what I mean, balance your diet for the weekend. So it's something different, and it's really good. So we got some spring onion, which we're going to also put inside of it. And it doesn't need a lot of stuff because, remember, it's something which already roast off, alright? So basically what we're going to do, we're going to pop that straight inside of it like this. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to just use my tongue and just fold it in just like this with the vegetables and everything. So this is going to be looking amazing recipe right here. So if you're a person who work 9 to 5, you know what I mean, work very hard, dealing with the kids them and all these things, this come in really handy. The full recipe will be on my YouTube channel. If not, go to my new website. I have a new website just launched. So you can go to chefricardocooking.co.uk and get exactly that recipe. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop a little bit of mixed leaf inside of this bowl right here, as you can see. Little bit of mixed leaf, and all I'm going to do is pop that nice lovely shrimps on top of it. It got some lemon also inside of it. For you to see how I do my shrimps is going to be on my YouTube channel, guys. So please go to my YouTube channel. That's where the video will be. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this right on it just like this. Very simple and easy and effective. It's going to be an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today, guys, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. Look at this. This is amazing. And not only that, we have some fresh thyme. And all you're gonna do, you got the lemon already inside of it. You don't need to put any more lemon. You just pop a few of the leaves them around it, just like this. And this is fantastic